everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. A beautiful, beautiful day at the beach today. Road trip. Got some cedar for the sawmill. A really good deal on some cedar, I'm pleased. And we're gonna run these on the sawmill. So we're gonna build some raised garden beds. See how that works out for us. So you can watch that. But meanwhile, we stopped off since we're here in the area, and we stopped at one of our favorite beaches. Beautiful, snowing out beach day. We got some extra heavy clothing, and we're gonna pick up some rocks. That will be a separate video on Michigan Prospectors, so check that out, Michigan Prospectors YouTube channel. For those of you who want to see us freezing and shivering in the icy cold beach and snow picking up rocks. And that's how dedicated we are. I might sound extra happy because I've got extra caffeine and happy. So let's see you over there. Hope you guys all subscribe if you haven't. See you over at Michigan Prospectors. Meanwhile, this video will continue when we get home. Somehow I've got to unload that. Back at the homestead, we backed the truck right up to the mill. There's no tent over the mill because we had 50-mile-an-hour wind, and I've got to repair my tent. So we're going to unload these. I'm not going to set up the camera because we're going to be, I don't know how we're going to do it. We're going to try to just slide these off right next to the sawmill here. So I'm waiting for Melanie. I'm going to clear this area up a little more right next to the crane so I can lift them up, swing them around, and load them right onto the mill. We're going to mill these out right away. This will be a briefer video though, because that's all I'm going to show today is just clearing these off and getting them on the ground. There's a beautiful sight, guys. Woo-hoo. Those are some nice logs. I don't know if you can tell. Those are some fine pieces of tree there. I'm going to saw them out. That's beautiful wood right there. Well, please like this video. Brief, but short and to the point. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Happiness coming to the homestead. Please check out Michigan Prospectors. I got some cool stuff over there today too. Talk to you later.